and greetings to Madam Sharifana and everyone. We are from the IT S21 and our group today will be presenting our topic for the PBL, which is titled Innovation for People with Special Needs. The problem we have chosen for this project is visual impairment, specifically low vision. By definition, low vision is a vision problem that is difficult to fix with vision aids or other standard treatments. In order to investigate how to aid people with visual impairment, we have gathered some data. The methods we have used to get the data are by researching information on how visual impairment could affect one's daily lives and how affected they are by it. We have also conducted interviews with a couple of people who suffer with this problem. Based on the data, we have created a prototype of a solution that could have been created in order to solve or at least lessen their struggles due to their vision impairment. One of the few people we have interviewed is Mr. Zulkifli Hanafi, who is 35 years old and an English lecturer in UTEM. From the interview, we are informed that his visual impairment is caused by diabetic retinopathy. He could barely see anything, only some lights and shadows because his vision is extremely low, which is not more than 10%. Because of this, he struggles to utilize a computer on his own, which is why he relies on his pet assistant. He isn't able to write, read, or see anything on screen, and he even needs assistance in walking. In his daily routine, he is very dependable on Siri. He hopes there are more and improved technologies involving voice commands that could help him do more tasks on his computer. Another person we have conducted an interview with is Mr. Megat bin Abdurrahman, who is 71 years old. He used to work as an operator in UTM, but he is retired now. The cause of his illness is from the sago powder that accidentally got in his eyes, which leads to blurry vision. He admitted he didn't visit the hospital immediately due to the negative stigma around it back in his time. As a consequence, he experienced fever for 3 days and his vision started to worsen. He lost his vision at 13 years old. He used to have trouble with public transportation, but eventually got the hang of it. Because technology wasn't advanced back in his days, he rarely utilized them. Therefore, for his job, he only needs to go through a special training to learn and get used to his tasks. Nowadays, he still barely uses complex and advanced technologies and mainly uses his phone to receive calls. Because he rarely uses them, he thought today's technology is already sufficient enough and have already done a good job in helping people with visual impairment like him.
The data gathered from this interview are the interviewee are struggle with performing computer tasks. Technology like voice command is preferable method for them due to the lack of complexity, and public transport is their go-to transportation but hard to use for the visually impaired people. This is a storyboard to portray the user with visual impairment. For example, here we have Shashwini, a 31 years old woman from Selangor who suffered from an illness called diabetic retinopathy since she was 20 years old. Recently, she received a new job at the Human Resources Department in the University of A. She is not behind on modern technology since she used Siri to communicate and stay connected with people through her smartphone. However, due to her disability, she was unable to make use of a computer on her own, and she entirely relies on her personal assistant to do all tasks involving computer. This is a prototype idea that we have developed. It is a voice recognition program that helps a computer user with visual impairment complete their task called Avivo. To activate the program, we have to call Hey Avivo. Avivo able to run and close the target program. User wanted to open the Microsoft Word. So the user have to comment open Word and it will open the application Word. For the visual impairment users may take longer time to type on the keyboard or rely on the assistant for the input. So Avivo can construct words from the user's word into the document. Besides that, the program can also command to save the file by mentioning the file name and the location of the file. So for example, the dialog is Avivo, save file, name document on the desktop. Then besides that, after it will make a sound effect and into the red color of the ring to alert the user that it did not understand the command and need aid.
for especially not fully blind can able to identify and call the actual assistant. For the conclusion, the crucial process for the recognizing user need is data collection and research. So it could not bring the user usability and satisfaction to the design with mainly minimal awareness of the user's need. So the data gathering technique that we have learned may bring us closer to the user. That's all. Thank you.